company name is Gateway Motors, and we opened in 1927. So our family had an opportunity to move from Maine in 1959 to purchase this dealership, which we did that in 1960. And so came to work one day when I was 13 years old, and I never left. And so my brother and I took over the company in 1982. 20 years ago, we purchased a 2-acre parcel right abutting our Ford Lincoln store. And we kept that for about 5 years, and then we decided that we would build a new Hyundai franchise and a car wash, which is a perfect fit with what we are in business for. And we get a lot of dirty cars up here in this 20 below zero weather in the winter. And we get about 13,000 cars a day that go by our street, so we had the volume and we had the right business to do it. So at our White River Car Wash, the layout is 2 automatics and 3 self-serves. That way we address the volume on each level and each choice that our customer base would like, and that's worked out very well, especially when we're at high capacity during the winter months. So when it came down to building the car wash, I went to Las Vegas to the ICA car wash convention, and my objective at the end of the week was to find a vendor that I would bond with. And it came down to a very easy decision after meeting with all the different vendors and people that Mark VII had German engineering equipment, very precise, and it was the quality of the people that they have working for them that really I felt was a perfect match for me. So when we opened our car wash for the first day of business, we were the highest priced car wash in the valley. People would come in, some of them would turn around and leave when they saw the price, and after 2 weeks we had people trying our car wash, and then the volume after that first 2 weeks just increased dramatically because people saw the quality of the car wash they were getting. It wasn't a lower price that counted, it was the quality that Mark VII delivered to them. 15 years ago, we started doing business with Mark VII. So 3 years ago, we decided to upgrade to the newest equipment that Mark VII offered. That being 2 new automatics and new credit card machines and the self-serves. Those 2 items alone have allowed us to have a 20% increase in our profitability, so we're very happy with that.